Hi everyone, welcome! Today in front of me are HyperX Cloud Mix Buds, and I'm going to show you how can you easily go to the next song using gestures. Let's get started. First we have to insert them into our ears, right one and left one. Now we have to go to YouTube and play some music. To go to the next song, you have to click 2 times on your touch sensor. The touch sensor is over there, as you can see, this little dot. That's it. Like and subscribe for more series of videos and hope it helps you. Goodbye!